Alright guys, so just for a quick intro, so right now I'm back here in Manila. So I'm just going to explain a bit about this video. So I made this video for beginner hikers that are planning or considering to go to Mount Ulap. I will give honest reviews on the trail, useful tips and tricks that I didn't get to find when I was researching for this hike. And also I will show you the trail that we'll be going, or you'll be going when you try and hike the Mount Ulap, because when I was researching it I didn't get to find any. And yeah, when I was up there I got to actually surprise, I guess. At least when you watch this video you know what to expect. So with that guys, please enjoy this video. So hi guys, today is April 25, 4:40 a.m. and today we're going on a hike. The mountain is Mount Ulap. 6 hours hike time. So yeah, 3 hours going up, 3 hours going down. So the 3 hours going down is mainly because the going down is steep. It's kind of dangerous. So we're just waiting for the orientation, and then yeah. So right now we're on the takeoff point, so which is the Ampukaw Barangay Hall. So it's a basketball court over there. So yeah. I hope that the weather is good. So here you can actually buy your walking stick. It is very detailed and it is only 100 pesos. So you can have it as a souvenir after. So it's kind of quite nice actually, yeah, for 100 pesos. So Mount Ulap is 45 minutes away from Baguio, so most people just do it for a day hike. But if you want to do a overnight hike, you can also do that. It is a 6 to 8 hours hike, but apparently we got to do it at 11.5 hours. And you'll see later guys. So Mount Ulap is a pasture, so that means the trail is used by cows and goats every day. So expect poop everywhere. And also poop comes with bugs. So when I was hiking, there are a lot of bugs flying around my face, so that's kind of like irritating. But yeah, it is a beginner friendly trail. So in a way, since the trail is just 9.1 kilometers, and quitting halfway is actually doable if you really got like, you know, got tired and like you just want to quit. Yeah, you can do that. We booked our hike through trippinas.com. So we wanted a private tour for COVID safety reasons, and for us to have a flexible time during the hike, so we're not really experienced hikers, so I really expect that will be very slow. So yeah, so with that, if you like my content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. I'll be releasing a Baguio underrated restaurant reviews and Baguio night market food stalls. Alright guys, we're on the first peak of Mount Ulap. So there you can see the clouds. It looks like smoke, but it's clouds. It's quite windy, that's why I'm using my mic. So the trek was not that easy as I expected, since people always downplay the assaults. So yeah, it's quite steep, but it's bearable, I guess. I highly recommend you guys to go up here during the weekday, because always on the weekend they're always packed full of people. So their maximum capacity is 500 per day, and right now we're only like less than 20. So yeah, that's kind of nice. We have the mountain all ourselves. So yeah, we're here on the first peak. Yeah, so yeah, see you guys on the second peak. Alright guys, we're now on the second peak of Mount Ulap. So it is Gungal Rock. So it is the second peak, and then after this there's only one more summit and then we're done. This is the 5.4 kilometer mark, 1814 meters above sea level. So yeah, on the way here from peak number 1, it's quite harder, I guess. It's more rocky, but the best thing here is that there's a porta potty for those who are who wants to go to the toilet, number 1 or number 2. Yeah, there's porta potty here, so it's kind of quite nice. This is the Gungal Rock. It is one of the most let's say Instagrammable place here in Mount Ulap. So yeah, pretty much that's it. There are a lot of assaults, a lot of steep decline, so yeah, you gotta be careful with that. So wear proper shoes guys, and then buy the walking stick. So hi guys, right now we're at the Gungal Rock. So yeah, as you can see here, that's the famous Instagram spot where it's an inclined rock where people can pose. Is it safe? Not entirely, because yeah, it's a sheer drop right there. So it's pretty much okay. I mean, like, the rock is kind of rough, so it's not really that hard to post there. But yeah, one thing that why I recommend you to do the hike a weekday is this exactly. There's no one here except us. So yeah, usually if it's a the weekend, people have to wait for 45 minutes or an hour for just 10 seconds. So as you can see here, picture taking is limited to 10 seconds per person. So yeah, that's how crowded it is here. But yeah, on weekdays, yeah, basically there's no one here. Right now there are only 2 groups, and they're way ahead of us. So we are taking our time, and yeah, we have time to do the Instagram shots. So dito na ako sa gitna ng Gungal Rock. So yeah, walang tao, so medyo malakas ang loob. So ito yung mukha ng ilalim. So yeah, that's it. Sheer drop, Gungal Rock, that's it. Bye guys. So right now we're on our way to the summit. So from there all the way up to this mountain, and that is the summit. So yeah, we it's I guess 45 minutes away or 1 hour, depends on your pace. So yeah, it's quite hard, to be honest, for a amateur hiker like me. So alright guys, we made it here sa Mount Ulap summit. Ito ay nasa 1,846 meters above sea level. 6.4 kilometer mark ng 9.1 kilometers ng buong trail. So yeah, medyo mainit-init dito dahil walang masyadong puno, puro bushes. And yeah, it's a summit. So lahat naman ng summits na napuntahan ko medyo walang masyadong puno. So it's okay. Pero yeah, this is the end game ng lahat ng hikers. So we're here, ready na bumaba. Ininom na namin lahat ng tubig namin, but luckily merong tindahan around 200 to 300 meters from here. We made it. For the trail going here, medyo madaming assault. So if you're not sanay sa mga assaults, you better get ready. Pero we can take breaks naman from time to time. So no rush, especially if you go here during the weekday kasi walang tao masyado. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Rocky, bring your stick, and sorry, inatake, daming lamok guys, yung mga malalaki, mga beetle like that. So anyway, yeah, after this we're going straight to the tindahan to actually buy water, coke, and pancit canton daw kung meron. So that's kind of nice. yeah, see you guys later again. Alright guys, right now we're in the 7-Eleven of the Mount Ulap. So basically it's a small, actually it's kind of big stores. Like there are a lot of tables. There are two sari-sari stores. And yeah, they have everything. They have water, coke, um, itlog, pancit canton, and yeah, you can order if you want. But I'm quite scared of the trek down, going down, because the guides keep on saying that it's very steep. So I'm quite wary about that. So yeah, we're just going to rest here for a while, drink some soft drinks, and yeah, water and all. So yeah, bye guys. So apparently, my DG Osmo Pocket 2 cannot actually use normal SD cards, and my SD card actually ran out of memory. So I'm going to continue this vlog using my phone. I hope it is actually good. I'm not sure. It's my first time to use this phone as video cam. So yep, as you can see here, the slope is quite steep, and I think it's bearable. I had to give my stick to Genesis, but yeah, if you have a stick, it's very um useful. So I highly recommend you to get a stick. It's only 100 pesos at the takeoff point. So yeah. So guys, we're still not halfway through, but yeah, we're barely managing. It's kind of steep. I mean, like, I'm doing it without the stick because I gave my stick to Genesis, but it's kind of doable. But you have to be very slow, or else you'll slip because the rocks are very loose. So guys, right now we made it down to the small village at the end of the trail. So I think this is Santa Fe. Yeah, because we started at Ampukao and right now we ended here in Santa Fe. And the trail is kind of chill from here on, since everything is cemented already. There is also a souvenir shop, and they sell drinks to refill your bottles. But yeah, our van was waiting for us at the end of the trail, so we get to change our clothes and went straight back to Baguio. But they have a place there if you want to take a bath. Yeah, you can actually do that there. But yeah, for us, we were very tired and we went and very hungry, so we went straight to Baguio. So for my review for Mount Ulap, so is it worth it? For me, yes. It is a very refreshing experience. If you got tired like me, I've been going to Baguio since I'm a kid, so I'm pretty much like familiar with Baguio, but it's my first time to go here in Mount Ulap. So if you're actually like looking for a refreshing way to do experience Benguet as a whole, yeah, Mount Ulap is a good way to start. Is it beginner friendly? So yes, it is. But at least you're going to do some basic exercise before you actually do the hike. There are a lot of assaults, very steep assaults, so that will make you very tired. So for us, it is a 6 to 8 hours hike, but we made it at 11.5, mainly because the going down is very steep, and one of us is injured. He has an ingrown on his toe, so we really went very slow for that. But yeah, it's very understandable. But for normal people, yeah, 6 to 8 hours depends on your pace. So yeah, hiking in Mount Ulap is quite cheap. We only paid like 1,399 each for 4 persons, and that's private already. You get to get your own guide, your own car that will pick you up on your hotel and bring you back to Baguio. So that's very cheap for me. It is a very good experience for beginner hikers because if you try Mount Pulag, it'll be almost the same, but in Mount Pulag, you're gonna get to do the overnight trip, which is very recommended for me. I've been to Mount Pulag twice, and it's so majestic. So yeah, try to consider Mount Pulag also. And yeah, don't forget again to like my video and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be releasing a food video about Baguio. So we going to show you underrated restaurants that you really cannot see from Google or for recommendations, but they're so good. And also, if you're curious about the Baguio night market food stalls, yeah, I'm gonna cover it on my next video. So yes, please guys, ring the bell, subscribe, and like my video. So hope to see you there in my next video. Bye guys.